What's up, Blockheads? Today we're going to be installing a fuel pack by Vance Hines in the Harley Davidson 48 Sportster. Alright, so as many of you know, we do have a Harley Sportster 48 from Miss Blockhead. We did install a high flow air cleaner on it recently from DK Customs, and whenever you install an air cleaner you do need to install a tuner. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Going to be walking you through how to install it. Today's episode is brought to you guys by Vance Hines. Dan the fireman put us in touch with Vance Hines, and we went back and forth in some conversation, and they were cool enough to send out a Fuelpak FP3 fuel management system for Miss Blockhead. So this episode, like I said, brought to you guys by Vance Hines. You guys can check them out at the link in the description below, as well as right here, and be sure to check out their site. They've got exhaust, tuners, intakes, all sorts of really cool stuff, and we will be having more episodes featured by them coming up in the future. So if you guys don't know what a Fuelpak FP3 is, it is a tuner for your bike. Included in this is the Fuelpak FP3, the iOS start guide, Android start guide. Basically gives you access to sensor data. You can auto tune, and they have awesome customer support that goes along with that, and it's a really super easy installation. Yeah, you want to go ahead and unpackage that? Is that your presentation?
Yes, Vanna White presentation.
I was just thinking Vanna White too. So this is the actual I don't know, chip or tuner. It does have a couple different indicator lights on the front. You do get some installation instructions. We won't be needing those since we'll be showing you guys how to do it, but it is incredibly easy. If you guys are thinking about getting one of these for your bike, be sure to go to their website and make sure that you find out which one fits yours, because they do have a couple of different models. So like we're installing this on a 2010 Harley 48, and that is a 4-pin 66007. But on my bike, which is a 2017 Harley Lowrider S, that's a 6-pin. So you do want to make sure that you buy the correct one. Like I said, I will provide the links in the description below so you guys can find all that. There it is, super easy. We're gonna leave it on the bike so that we can view sensor data, tune it up, and all that stuff. You ready?
Yes. I was asking, does this stay on your bike? I don't know, I have no idea.
There's a couple different options. You can leave it on your bike, and then you can also put the tune onto the bike and then remove it if you want to as well. But if you remove it, you don't get access to the live sensor data. Because it connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to your phone. So once we get the phone mount installed on your bike, you can actually have your phone on your bars viewing sensor data as you're riding.
Side note, I'm getting a new phone.
That's fine.
So will it work? Like,
yeah.
It's okay? Okay.
It pairs, actually, yeah. So once we connect this to the bike, this piece pairs to the bike permanently, meaning you can't take it off and put it on another bike. You can take it off, put it on another bike to get the sensor data, but you can't take it off and tune another bike because it does pair with the VIN. We're going to set that here. So first thing we need to do, take off the battery cover. Remember how to do that?
Yeah. Period, because
that's it.
no, but I don't want to.
No, mess up your nails?
Yeah.
First girl comment from Miss Blockhead ever.
Listen, when you pay good money for something,
you don't want to mess
those up.
All right, so now that we've got the battery cover removed, this is going to be your main fuse. This is going to be your accessory plug. So basically we're going to press that forward. Turns out we need a new bolt for down here because that bolt came out, so we'll get that replaced. But anyways, you're gonna press that forward, take off this accessory plug just like that, and you're gonna take that plug in the plug out of it. So I'll go ahead and grab that out of there. Your nails are so sparkly.
Thank you.
Good job. All right, so this is the accessory plug. There are going to be 4 prongs in there, 4 prongs in there. So what you're going to do is you're going to match up the clip side to the clip side here, and then just plug that in. Congratulations, you just installed an FP3.
Wow.
Seriously, that easy.
Yeah.
At this point, what a lot of people run into that's a little difficult is actually keeping it on the bike. So what I do is...
I have no pictures. Oh no.
Hey, you guys be sure to go follow Miss Blockhead on Instagram. Her screen name is right here, as well as in the description below, but it is just Miss Blockhead, spelled MSBLOCKHEAD. All right, we found a bolt. Bolted that back down. All right. So yeah, basically what we did here is we replaced the connector on the bracket, and then Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the bike on. You just need it to be in run, and we're going to pair it up with the phone. Alright, so you will see there's an indicator light flashing right there, which means there's power getting to it. It's awesome. Alright, select that device. Alright, so we are connected right there. After that, you're going to go to your FP3 app, which you can download in the App Store. Open that up, download the firmware update, and it'll tell you basically what it is. Yes, we're going to install that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and let it do that. It's going to take just a little bit, but after that's done, we'll be good to go and install a new tune. Also, whenever it is communicating with the FP3, you guys will notice that it does have additional indicator lights. Firmware updated, good to go. Alright, so it is all connected up. So we're going to look up the map. We do not have any exhaust on it, which is, can we just do one without? Yes. So, stock, HD exhaust, yeah, Harley Davidson. Stock exhaust, standard baffles, 1200. It'll basically give you results. So we have Harley Davidson, stock exhaust, standard baffles, stock 1200cc with stock air filter. It doesn't have the stock air filter though, so we're going to select Harley Davidson stock exhaust, standard baffle, stock 1200cc with high flow air filter. So that bottom selection right there. Once we select that, it doesn't have an image, but it'll give you the details of the map that you're about to flash or program the bike with. It'll say, yeah, so exhaust manufacturer Harley Davidson, stock exhaust, standard baffle, 2010 Sportster, 1200cc stock cam. Oh, that's cool that they have stuff for the cams now. Stock engine, high flow filter, and then you hit program. It'll give you this general warning which says making changes to your motorcycle's ECU program may affect engine performance. Follow all instructions for the installation and setup of fuel pack. Be careful and smart and ride safe. Fuel pack is not legal for use on pollution controlled motor vehicles. Continue. It is linking the fuel pack to the bike, so this is basically the part where it is pairing to the VIN. You'll see that it has activity there. Alright, you hear the bike. Yeah, whenever we install the new exhaust, we will update it. The exhaust that we're getting for it is not going to be in here, so we're going to have to basically run auto tune. Sending stock to server, transferring map, and then after that it'll be flashing the new map to the bike. Once that's done, you'll hear the bike shut off, and then I think it's, yep. Alright, so then you need to turn the bike off, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. So just off there. Alright, so 30 seconds is up. It says waiting for Bluetooth, turn the bike on. Run switch is already on. Bike's back on. Good there. Good there. Alright, so map is transferred. If you want to share that, feel free. Just hit done. So there you go. Bike has a new map. You can view the sensor data if you want. You can customize a couple of these screens, but we're going to get into all that later. Pretty much at this point, that is how you install an FP3 and pair it with your phone. Last thing we're going to do, put the battery cover back on, hold it on the inside of the cover while you're pressing it upwards, like that. And then whenever you get it all lined up, press it in. You want to hold this camera for a second. Alright, there you go. That's how you keep the FP3 on your bike. You just kind of install it or leave it inside of the little cover there. Alright, well, that's how you guys do that. Turn this off. Alright, what'd you think? Pretty difficult stuff?
Oh yeah, oh my gosh. How stressful. No, it's easy. Definitely level 1 out of, what is it, 1 out of 10?
1 out of 3 on the beard scale of difficulty?
Oh, 1 out of 3? Yeah, it's definitely
from
a
Revzilla.
1. Yeah, it's a 1.
But you don't even have a beard, so.
Oh, well, what do you think it is?
It's a 1.
Alright then.
Super easy. Once again, big thanks to Vance Hines. You guys be sure to go check them out, vanceandhines.com. Like I said, we will provide links in the description to everything that we used. If you guys do have any questions, be sure to post up in the comments below. Neither myself nor Ms. Blockhead are licensed mechanics, just like working on bikes.
Big thank you to Vance and Hines for the fuel pack. It's definitely awesome. Much needed.
If you guys are, like I say, you're doing a stage 1 to your bike, you're doing a high flow air cleaner to your bike, you definitely need one. Anyways, like I said, if you guys have any questions, post up in the comments. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And until next time, you guys ride safe, stay vigilant, and we'll catch you all later.
Deuces.
Good job. All right, later, guys.